Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. So from any screen, the north button here, the second one up from the bottom, that brings up the sat-nav. Then you've got menu at the bottom, so we click on menu, enter address, my destinations, points of interest and search, guidance criteria and settings, enter address. It's saying city, but we're going to put in the postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers, and numbers aren't, it's not that clear really, but down here at the bottom you've got naught and then a hashtag. You press on naught and the hashtag and it brings up the numbers menu. So we're PR5 4. Now we need to go back to letters, so we press the A to Z again there, J, S. And the numbers and letters are quite tiny on here for my fingers. Click OK. It's asking me for a number. There's no number at Grosvenor Garage, so we'll just click OK again. And that's it.